first place. Well, Christoph Eibel is a founding partner and head of trading at Tiberius Asset Management. You've got $2.5 billion in assets pretty much invested in commodities. Chris, thanks so much for joining us from our London newsroom at the moment. Quite a bit going on, as you know, in the Middle East. And I do know that you don't necessarily think Egypt is going to have the biggest impact, at least in terms of commodities prices, but it's pretty understandable that when it comes to news in Egypt or political turmoil in that region that, you know, we would see some amount of movement in the oil markets.
I mean, absolutely. The situation in Egypt, and we've seen that with the neighboring countries, there was a big spillover, and everyone is afraid of that what we've seen in Tunisia, and what we've seen in Egypt, that might be transferred over to Saudi Arabia or other countries that are much more important in regards to oil supply, for example. But if you just put Egypt on the landscape, Egypt is not a very important player when it comes to commodities production or commodities consumption.